That's solid. That's solid, Razzaq. That's brilliant, Razzaq.
Oh, yes. Oh, yes. What a strike. A slower delivery picked by Abdul Razzaq and deposited at the park.
20 off the over so far.
The best of the lot, and massive.
That's hit hard, straight, and for 6. And would have killed someone if they got...
Until Abdul Razzaq took over.
Oh, goodness me! He smoked that right onto the embankment. Fantastic shot for 6. He's on to 99, Abdul Razzaq.
What a shot.
How far is that gone?
It's out of here. That's gone.
Yep, you're right. It's gone, all right. Another massive 6 for Abdul Razzaq.
Oh, my word. Can you believe it? Can you believe it? 100 up. He brings it up.
High into mid-wicket, high into the outer, massive 6.
Oh, goodness. Abdul Razzaq turning it on for Pakistan. 2 6s in the over.
Oh, that's a great strike. It's gone. Gone, Burgers. That is a beauty.
There he goes again. Don't bother running. Somebody in the crowd, throw it back. Same place, same shot. 6 more.
That is beautifully hit. That is an excellent shot. That was flat. That's what I want to see Razzaq playing.
Well, the fieldsman at mid-wicket actually started to run in when the ball was hit. I think he thought he had a chance to catch it by running in. As it was, it landed at the base of the fence. Just a flick of the wrist. Now the fielder realizes he has to go back, and it crunches into the base of the fence there. That's a good shot.
In Hobart, Sunday the 16th of January. And this is another chance, but this time it's for the cameraman, not for David Hussey. Abdul Razzaq continuing. Oh, and that's a long one from Abdul Razzaq, and it's also a half century. Much needed one for Pakistan. 54 from only 42 balls face. Abdul Razzaq, 4 6s in that and only 1 boundary.
Another chance at hitting this ball out of this ground. That's what he'll be looking to do, is swinging really hard. Doing a lot of connecting as well.
Full toss. Has it gone for 6? Yes, it has. That's another terrific shot. Spectators are ducking all over the place, almost in the hospitality suite.
Well, I said he was swinging really hard. He's also connecting really well. Sometimes you get overwhelmed by the moments. Sean Irvin trying to get that ball in the hole, in the block hole, missing by quite a long way. Ball disappearing out the ground.
Length again, he's gone underneath it. 6 more runs. Brilliant stuff from Abdul Razzaq. He really has played superbly here. 50 up. Amazing stuff. In no time.
Well, he's gone from 53% strike rate to over 100. He's got to 54 and it's taken him just 47 deliveries. This is the shot he's most adept at, hitting over wide mid-off and extra cover, hitting inside out when the balls fall. Magnificent stroke play.
Full toss, going towards Ashley commentary box. That's gone for 6 more. Ended up about 10 feet to our right. What a huge blow that was.
Oh my goodness. This is absolutely amazing. Magnificent hitting. Low ball tosses are pretty difficult to hit, but he has hit that the furthest and the hardest of the lot.
Full toss. Hit it well. Hit it beautifully. 6 more runs. Wow, this is the greatest. Number 6 for Abdul Razzaq.
He's hit more 6s than he's hit 4s. He's only hit 2 innings. He's shown some great power. He's managed to hit that low full toss way over the boundary.
There was some talk that he was going to be left out of this squad to Sharjah. Abdul Razzaq, and Rashid Latif is the man who insisted he should be here just as well. He's got a lead, but he's straight back over the bowler's head. And 6 more.
Well. There is really not too much more to say about all this. It really is quite astounding. From a situation where you thought Zimbabwe were in the pound seat, Abdul Razzaq has totally transformed this Pakistani